Hey everyone, welcome back. If the TD app gets stuck on loading screen, first start by checking your internet speed and connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then just turn it off to refresh the network. After that, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the app, swipe it away, wait for a few seconds, then reopen it. Restart your phone and try again. If the issue still happens, head over to your app store, search for the app, and then make sure to update your app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update the TD Bank app, then it won't be stuck on loading screen after you update it. Or if the issue proceeds, go ahead and delete the app, and that's it. After deleting it, reinstall it and then log in again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.